Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a locals account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to locals.com and you'll be greeted by this page. Now from here, if you look at it, there's no button to say create an account. We've only got create community, find creators, or log in. But what we need to do is click on to log in. And then when it comes to the login page, this is where we can sign up as well. So at the bottom of this, where it says login with Rumble, it will say need an account. Click on that sign up button. Then from here, we need to have a Rumble account too. So create a locals account. So click to create an account. You'll be able to use this account on both locals and Rumble. So click on that button where it says sign up with Rumble. Alright, so what we can do is put in our email or username and password to sign in, or what I suggest doing, if we look down below, it says sign in with Facebook, Google, or Apple. So choose one of these three. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my Google account. Then it'll say sign into Rumble, Google. Click on continue as me. Now we need to validate my email address. So I need to open up my emails. So jump over here. Now what I've noticed, it's taken a while for them to send that verification code. So what I'm going to do is come back here and click on resend activation, because we need to validate the email address before we can proceed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on resend activation and then make sure my email address is correct, which it is. Then I'm going to click on request activation email. Then it will say please check your emails, close, come back over here, refresh. Alright, still got no email from them, so I want to check my spam. Alright, so there it is. It's taken about 5 minutes to send that email, but now I'm into it. So I'm going to click on where it says click here to activate my account. That's going to redirect me to Rumble. Then we need to verify I am human. Then it says here your account has been successfully verified. Continue to locals. Alright, so now from here it will say let's get started. Create a username for your locals account. This account will be used for multiple communities. So I'm going to call my name Tutorial. If I can spell. Alright, Tutorial Wiz, click continue. Hopefully the name isn't taken. Now we need to put in a strong password. Alright, then click continue. I'm going to click save, continue. Select your gender, male, from Australia. SA, Adelaide. Alright, then below that will say show your location on my profile. You can have that enabled or not. Click continue. Then from here we need to upload a profile picture. You don't have to, you can do this later. So I'm just going to click continue. Now we're going to choose some topics I'm interested. So art, business, music, continue. And from here just simply click finish. Then it'll redirect us back to locals. Then if we look on the top right hand side, be able to see our user profile here. So yeah, that's how to create a locals account.